I have been trying to make a do-it-yourself silicone mold of an object. I made it from plexiglass, which I bonded to other pieces of plexiglass using a glue gun. The object is raised off the bottom using three styrofoam panels that are around half an inch thick. This is more of a don't do it yourself this way video, because what I ended up doing was trying to make up the space around the object I'm trying to create a mold of by stuffing styrofoam to the level I needed, and then putting modeling clay on top of the styrofoam to try to hold the silicone in. And what I found was that regardless of how well I tried to seal these holes in the styrofoam using the model clay, it wasn't good enough. And the silicone is very expensive. So what I'm going to end up doing is digging out the modeling clay and the silicone and the styrofoam. And what I'm going to end up doing is using this expanding foam in a can I got from Obashan Hardware, and use the expanding foam instead of the styrofoam here to fill up under the mold that I'm making it. And then I'll put modeling clay on top of this stuff after it hardens, and it'll be a solid mass instead of being like these pieces that I currently have here. And it should, once the modeling clay is put in over the hardened expanding foam, the silicone should hold in the mold, and instead of having it leak all over like this. Live and learn. I tried. I'll just do it again. Thank you for listening.